The number one spot. This is the cooler that, in my opinion, brings everything together into one incredible package. I'm talking about the Corsair iCUE LINK H115i LCD. So, what makes it the best? Let's start with the most obvious feature. That gorgeous 2.1-inch IPS screen on the pump head. It's incredibly sharp and bright, with a 480 by 480 resolution and a true 24-bit color depth. This isn't just for showing your CPU temperature. You can display custom GIFs, your favorite team's logo, or anything else you can think of. It becomes the true centerpiece of your build. But the real magic, the thing that sets this cooler apart, is the iCUE Link ecosystem. Think about building a PC. You have fan cables, RGB cables, and pump cables, all needing to be plugged into different headers on your motherboard. It can get messy. Corsair's solution is a single, unified system. All the components, the fans, and the pump connect to each other with one type of cable, and then a single wire runs from the chain to a central hub. That's it. This system drastically reduces cable clutter and makes for an unbelievably clean look inside your case. Of course, it's not just about looks and clean cables. The cooling performance is absolutely top-notch. It pairs a 360mm radiator with 3 of Corsair's QX120 fans. These fans use magnetic dome bearings for quieter operation and a longer lifespan, and they can spin up to 2400 RPM. This means the cooler has no problem handling the most demanding CPUs out there, like an i9 14900K, keeping them running smoothly under load. When you combine that elite cooling performance, the stunning LCD screen, and the game-changing iCUE Link system for cable management, you get a product that just feels complete. It's the ultimate choice for a high-end showcase build where you want the best of everything.